Morning, guys. Good morning. I clicked the button and I thought we were live. I was talking to myself for 2 minutes. And that's hilarious. Oh, that is hilarious. I was sitting here talking to myself for like 2 minutes. I typed in there in the thing. I hit go. The thing said morning, go, guys. And it was on a separate screen. That is so hilarious. I did the wolf sound and everything for you guys. Watch, I have it up right now. Sorry, guys, I'll do it again. I played the wolf sound and I seen somebody go, "Where is he?" That's hilarious. There you guys go. Sorry about that. Can you hear me all with everything this morning? Good thing we caught that right away. I typed in there in the thing. That's weird. I hit sitting here talking to myself. I'm like, why is it on a separate screen? Right? So yeah, I was only a couple minutes talking and everything for you guys. Watch, I have it up right now. Sorry, guys, I guess I get a good conversation on with myself. So anyways, everybody, can you hear me loud and clear? Let's get this out of the way. Because we did. There you guys go. Sorry about that. Can you hear me all with everything this morning? When I got it, when Sanjay said, "Where is he?" on the chat bar. Where's Cameron? Maybe he's having internet problems. Echo. Right. So yeah, I was only a couple minutes talking and everything for you guys. Watch, I have it up right now. Sorry, guys, I guess I get a good conversation on with myself. So anyways, everybody, can you hear me loud and clear? Let's get this out of the way. Because we did. There you guys go. Sorry about that. Can you hear me all with everything this morning? When I got it, when Sanjay said, "Where is he?" on the chat bar. Where's Cameron? Maybe he's having internet problems. Echo. Right. So yeah, I was only a couple minutes talking and everything for you guys. Watch, I have it up right now. I guess I get a good conversation on with myself. So anyways, everybody, can you hear me loud and clear? Let's get this out of the way. Because we did. There you guys go. Is it still echoing? Is it still echoing, my friends? Good morning, Free. Is it still echoing? I heard that owl sound twice now. Is it still echoing, my friends? Sounds good? Okay. Do you know what it was? No. It's good now? Okay. No more echo. Do you know what it was, guys? It's because when I do the howl sound, I have to log on my Gmail account. Okay? So thank you, brothers. Okay, so anyways, back to what I was saying. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Angel. Do you know what I was saying? Was I clicked on the feed to go live, and it said it was live, and it must have clicked off or something. Maybe I double-clicked it. I was sitting here talking to myself for like 2 minutes. I'm just carrying away, talking about shares, and then I look over, and Sanjay goes, "Oh, maybe he's having internet issues again." And then I was like, "What?" So I looked down, and it's not live. That's freaking hilarious. That made me laugh. I'm in a good mood now. Okay, good morning, everybody. We got that out of the way. That was totally my fault. So, anyways, we're going to go through the list. We're just going to let this stuff dump because things can change around. I'm just going to go through everybody here again because I went through the list already, but I was talking to myself. Yeah, weird. Okay, anyways, enough of that. Good morning, Christopher. Good morning, Alina. Good morning, Jay, Edward, Sanjay. Good morning, everybody. Let's go down the list. Sasha, good morning. Good morning, Charlie. We got some people. Michael, got a bunch of UK people here. Ken, Jay, Morals, Sasha, Dave, Steve, Mr. L, Johnny, Angel, Ed, Johnny, Free, Joker, Jason, yeah, hopefully I didn't miss anybody. Free, I did, Ed, I said, JP, Warren. Good morning, everybody. CD, Manjeet, Headstock. Everybody's here. The group's here. Right on, right on, right on. Okay, my friends. What I was doing was talking to myself, and I explained about computer shares. And I did some work yesterday. I got off the phone just because you guys had me intrigued on it a bit. The people that were talking about it, I was thinking, I got to find this out. So I went in there and I called 3 banks. They are Canadian, of course, because I probably could call the States and lie, but I don't like lying. So, so what this is a Canadian companies. It's echoing again now. It's echoing again, guys. Charlie said it's echoing. Are you? Okay, I just want to make sure it's not echoing again because I don't want to talk about this story. I'm just waiting for you guys to reply. I know there's a bit of a lag. Fuck. It's starting to piss me off, man. Oh, okay. I thought he said Mo echo now. Charlie said, okay, good. So I'll get on with this. Look at this. We went in the green, guys. We went into the green. Okay. So, anyways, I'll get into this. Computer shares. I called 3 banks: BMO, Bank of Montreal, and CIBC. Okay. Or no, sorry. BMO, Bank of Montreal, and TD Bank. Okay. And what I wanted to do, good morning, Ryan, just jumped in here. If I missed your names, sorry about that. I'll get back in a minute. So what it was I was intrigued by the stories from the 2 wolves on here. Just explaining it to me, and I'm thinking, I got to figure this out because it kind of sounds good, this computer shared thing, right? And I was jaded from it because of some posts on Reddit, which is that's irrelevant. Because of what happened with the last 3 scenarios with this and entering your shares in and wolves getting burned on here and just screwed over, right? Putting our shares, taking our time to do this stuff, listing our actual personal accounts. I didn't do it. I stopped at that point. A couple people did. There's a handful of people that actually followed through on it, right? And then then that thing came out and says, oh my God, you shouldn't have done it. It's third party. We don't, whoever, somebody's going to buy it. I think it was Robinhood, whatever. That's irrelevant too. And they're like, what do we do? What do we do? Now they have our account information. Well, they change your password, right? Is the first thing I would do. So it's just a lot of crap. So I was like, no, man, this is another scam or another fucking waste of our time. So that's where I got jaded on. And that's my fault for like kind of just taking, and I take that responsibility for being jaded on something and passing it on to you guys with a negative attitude. So what I did was I had to get to the bottom of this. Okay, computer shares, I'm 100% for. Okay, there is a bit of a delay. Okay, it could take up to a week or 2. It could be different. Every place is different. Every bank was different. Some said 3 days to purchase. It still has to be executed by a broker. Okay, but I'm going to put, except AMC, I'm putting all my shares in computer shares. Okay? Because, and you can save them onto a flash drive. Okay? The actual physical, and they're encrypted. There's no way to get them. Okay? And they're insured to the max too. The thing with it is they have to be executed by a broker. Okay? The bank is not a broker firm. Okay? So what it does is when you cash it in, you get the same price. That's where it was conflicting that I didn't like. Whatever price you want and you sell it, you get that price, okay? It takes 2 business days, okay, to be executed, the order. You still get what you're going to get. That was the problem, what I was worried about, right? And it could take, everywhere's different. It could take 2 days to get put back into your trader's account, which is fucking, who cares? Who cares? They cannot borrow those shares. They're locked in, encrypted. It's golden, done. There you guys go. I did that. I spent about 2 hours on the phone, different banks doing that. I had to be transferred so many times on hold. It wasn't that bad. I just put the phone on hold beside me and just did computer work and stuff. So, there's that. Yes, I'm 100%. And thank you. It was two people that were really... Sasha was one of them. Thank you. And Future Whale. Thank you. You're not on here this morning. I don't see you yet, but thank you. I'll see you when you come on. I'll thank you. So, guys, that's up to you what to do. I don't tell anybody what to do. I'm going to be doing it definitely with... I don't think that you can lend out dividend stocks. I don't know anything about that, but you get a certificate, all that stuff for it. It is a good idea. I don't mind waiting for my money up to a couple days. It's getting them put through. Fidelity does it or said they were going to. I read a couple things on there on that. Good morning, OJ. Good morning, Citizen. Do you want me to call you that, or do you want me to call you by your real? It's up to you. You want me to call you by your handle there, or do you want me to call you by your real name, bro? It's up to you. I just want to get that out of the water right now. I was thinking about that this morning. So, anyways, AMC's in the green. I'm gonna go through the ticker symbols here. No, I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes because they're gonna change. Hopefully, GME pulls into the green here. It's almost. Second thing excuse me. The second thing, but everywhere, that's just Canadian. Okay, that's why I did the TD Bank. I know they're totally separate, but they're not. Okay, so that's the thing on that. It could be up to a couple weeks getting it. Okay, that's not a problem either, right? It's not caught in. I don't know about. Oh shit! I forgot to ask about the transition shit. If it squeezes, they wouldn't know about a squeeze or anything like that. The banks do not want to talk about that shit. Okay, I've already mentioned it before on the phone with you guys live when I was talking about. We were recording my shares and stuff. So, anyways, that's off the deal. I did get some Reddit documents to prove where I got that information from in the past about, but again, I'm not going to even go there. Take it with a grain of salt when you read those documents. Obviously, they were modified, okay? I'm not going to go any deeper into that. So, second thing, walkie-talkie. That walkie-talkie, I looked into it. It's what it is we can, I cannot get the information on how many users we can have, but you can make your own code even up on it. And the thing is, it's a subscription for the better package, okay? It is only, I think, Canadian, which is cheaper for you guys, in the American, obviously. I think it comes to $4 a month with taxes, okay? Or plus tax, it doesn't matter. Under $5. It's up to you guys what to do. I don't know. I researched about 10 other ones. That's the best one. Christopher did a good job on that, researching it. I wasn't second guessing that. I was just trying to see if there was one that was free. They don't tell you how many users that can be on there. They're out of Paris, believe it or not. It's out of Paris. That's what the email says. Anyways, I can rate them in email. Do you guys want me to rate them in email and proceed with this? It's up to you guys. Just give me a thumbs up if you do, or what do you want to do, guys? Because there is other ways that we can. I don't know. I don't know how else we can communicate. We do need a communication, though, that we can get off this friggin' platform. Not like stay on here live. Look at this candle go. GME just went into the green, guys. That's why I wanted to wait longer. It's at 1% right now. We do need a way to talk about, just between the wolves, about real numbers. What everybody's doing and all that stuff. So you guys think about that for a couple minutes. Hi, Cap. Good morning, D. Cam, hey, you know about... Okay. Hey, Cam, you know Dave at all? Dave who, Sasha? Dave who? Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry for coughing. I know it's really loud in that mic. Okay, look at this. Go. This is what we friggin' needed this morning. Sanjay, I got one thumbs up on that. Because you guys are going to have to pay a subscription. You know that. It's up to you guys, right? But we got I think we got a little bit of time. So anyways, I'm going to go through the screen here. I think it's about that time. What is it? Yeah, it's pretty close anyways. GME is at $180.88. 1.28 in the green on that. Friggin' dope. Dope. Okay, AMC, $37.42. It's 1.32 percent. CCL Carnival, $25.84. 1.24 in the red. Naked Brand, ooh, went reverse on that one. 76 cents. It's 5% in the red. AAL, American Airlines, $21.25, 0.88 in the red. Cost, $16.69, 0.18 in the red. Suncor Energy is par right now. It is $26.51. Air Canada is par right now, $23.74. Okay, BlackBerry is par 2. Oh, it just went up to green. This is Canadian price, so take off $2 roughly. $12.44 is 0.16 in the green. MVIS, Microvision is $11.63, 1.36 in the red. CGC, Canopy Growth, is $13.85, negative 2.34. Oh, it just switched. 2.46% in the red. Sundial Growers is 0.68. 0.36 in the red on that. Okie dokie. Some crypto. Dogecoin is 20 cents. It's 0.79 in the green. Ticker symbol ADA is Cardano, is $2.09, is 0.79 in the green. Ticker symbol BTC is Bitcoin, $41,944 is 0.67 in the red. ETH, Ethereum coin, is $2,901. It is 0.20 in the green. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. Yeah, I couldn't find any info on that. The max users, if you could email that. Okay, I'll do that, Christopher. Not a problem, my friend. Not a problem. I'll do that. Just give me Discord. We could make a I have a Discord group. There's nobody on it because I merged. I had it up. There was like a bunch of, not a bunch, but like there's probably like 5 people on it. It was just starting. It was only a couple days old. And then Breakers, I just dropped in the Breakers group, and the guy goes, "Dude, you're Cameron Simpson from CS Trades 101. How are you doing? You're on my group." He just started Wall Street Breakers, right? And then oh, is he? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll check it out. I'll check him out. Well, for sure. I like to check out other creators, for sure. Gennaro? Gennaro is his last name? Gennaro? Dinero? Is Dinero his last name? Am I thinking of somebody else? So, yes, I'll get back to, I'll get back to Christopher here. I will rate them an email. Discord, the story with Discord was I had a channel, yeah, and I went to Wall Street Breakers, and I was in there, I was just asking some questions. I forget what I was asking about. So anyways, me and the moderator that built it hit it off right away. And he was just building it, and now it's up to over 7,000 members. His not the Discord isn't. I don't know what it's up to, but I'm talking about the Wall Street Breakers group. And he told me, "Hey, why didn't you come over to our Reddit group?" And then we just started talking, and we just hit it off. And he says, I need some help. We don't have anybody on YouTube to do our YouTube end of it. And I was like, okay, not a problem. And that's how we hit it off. Then he says, I'm going to give you a affiliate, #1 here. You want to be our #1 affiliate? David. Oh, David. Yeah. Okay, I'll definitely put him on my watch list. He'll be my 3rd person because I went and erased everybody else because of all the stuff. I got rid of all my, except I support you guys. Sometimes, like, if you guys have a channel and it's doing, what doesn't matter if it's doing good or not, I put it down on my bottom so everybody can see who I'm subbed to. out of respect, and if you're down here supporting me, like I said, I'll support you. And it doesn't matter if you only have 3 subs, okay? I don't care about the subs shit, right? That means nothing to me, as you guys know that, right? So, anyways, look at us go. Look at us go. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. I didn't have the chart on here on the side. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so there's some other stuff I wanted to talk about. Okay, we got the walkie-talkie thing out of the way. Oh, no, we haven't. Okay, so with the Discord thing, we can lock the group. It's just that those messages can be recorded. There's a recording feature on there, and I don't care if it's by voice. Somebody records me talking about number. It doesn't matter. That is irrelevant, right? But if it's typed down, it can. They're having a problem with Discord with crypto pumps. Okay, they're actually subpoenaing a lot of those records. I know about it because Future Whale, what's up? What's up, brother? So, yeah, I it's a good idea, but I think we should try to find another alternative in the meantime. Okay. RP, good morning. Good morning, Johnny. I already said good morning. If not, then, yeah, AMC will. Yes, it's going to hit. It's going to hit it. It'll hit 38 today. As you know, that's just me throwing it out there, right? I'm not going to promise you anything because I don't do that with that stuff, right? But you guys know I'm giving it I'm just giving it horse heads. Sanjay's got some horse heads. So, okay. Oh, hey Cam, is this your strategy on selling? Oh, hey Cam, what's your strategy on selling the squeeze? I have the following live. Okay, I will be following live during the squeeze. Yeah, not a problem, Ryan. Ryan, you've been. I've seen you before on here. With this strategy, I don't do percentages. You probably could figure out my percentages. Wow. Sorry, I'm just blown away with this. We friggin' deserve this. Sorry, I had to throw that out there. So that's beautiful. I haven't seen this many green candles in a climb like this for a long time. I'm just gonna scroll up. I'm gonna answer your question, my friend. I just need to get this screen going here. I just want to see what GME is at. There it is, right there. GME is at 2.21% too. It's at $182 right now. Yeah, they're still almost mirroring each other. Okay, so, oh Johnny, I hope it goes to the friggin' moon today. Okay, so I'll answer your question. With the percentages, I do have a three tier selling system I use. The percentages, I just take out what I want. I do it by shares, okay? And I have two different brokers, as you all know, right? I have one that's a zero commission broker, right? One of those, it's just an app on the phone, that type of shit. And then I have an actual physical bank that holds, I have the TD Bank that holds all my major group of shares. Like, almost like just under 900 are in the bank, okay? No, 800 and something. I want to be very transparent with you. 800 and some change. So what I just wanted to clarify that, and the percentage you can figure out, but that's up to you about the three system, about the percentage rise. But as long as you're using a three system, you could use more. It's just it gets too complicated then, right? Just remember to include your taxes in every bunch, okay? Especially the first bunch. Correct on that, because I always think of taxes first when I get money. The stock market, I always think of taxes. That's the first. I don't even think of myself. So that's why I always say that. This is the first thing that comes to mind. But no, the first group that you do, this is what I do. Okay, I'm just going to tell you what I do. That share recovery, I make sure the taxes are paid in that share recovery for those shares I take out. Just in case there's an issue with the stock from the point on with some serious haul. Anything can happen with this. Do you guys know this? Look at the bullshit we're going through now, right? And this isn't even involving money yet, okay? So I just want to make sure you guys are protected. That's all I want to say on that. Okay. If you're following live, I'll be selling my shares live, and you guys can hold for more. You're gonna be what? You're gonna be. Some of you might be going, what? Why are you selling? Because not that I don't need the money. I love money. It's just that my costs probably are pretty low. Like my house is paid off and everything. So I don't need. I don't know. I'm taking greed off the table. Let's put it that way, right? But I'm not going to screw myself. So I know what I need to live and what to get by and what to make more money, right? I don't want to get greedy and lose it all. Like, I'd rather have 3/4 of my money compared to waiting for full amount and losing it all. Does that make any sense to you guys at all? Okay. I hope it does. But that's up to you guys. I don't want to tell you what to do. I'm not telling anybody to sell even when it's live and happening. Okay, I want to tell you that. And you guys can ask me, if you can ask me all day long, should I sell now? Should I sell? I know people are going to do it because it's human nature. I'm not going to answer that question. Okay? You guys, I'll say you can do whatever you want. That's what I'm exactly going to say to you. Okay? Because I'm not going to take that away from you. Right? Good morning, pimp. No cap. What's up? Okay, I'm really nervous about the... Are ya? You do have 2 accounts too? I do for a reason. I don't want to get into it because I don't want to scare you guys with my theories. I'm not going to do that. I've done it in the past and it gets people all freaked out and stuff, so I'm just going to keep my mouth shut. If it happens, we can deal with it. Okay? I'm just going to say banks are insured to the max. Right? Banks are the biggest. That's all I got to say. Everything's insured, but I just wanted to, it's easier to fight a bank when there's fraudulent shares involved, right? Right on, Ryan. Right on, brother. Yeah, you guys have your own things, right? And you guys have all different amounts too, right? It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I'm very, very, very confident in all of you. Right? You've been on the channel for a while, all of you. You've watched the video of the Volkswagen squeeze. And it's all good. Okay, Cap. You have our Captain Obvious. There's 2 caps on here. Do you think they are hustling us to sell call options? I don't know what you mean on that, my friend. Hustling us to say... to sell call options. I don't know. I don't do that stuff, so I don't understand, my friend. Just be more elaborate, okay? And you're probably thinking, well, I fucking just said it. But hustling to sell us call options. I'm not pressured into buying call options. I don't understand what you're saying, my friend. Unless you've seen something I haven't. I'm just reading. I'm gonna go back and read your. We got a bit of a crown here, eh? So we're gonna get some consolidation here. SPY's up a little bit, 0.52, which is a good sign. If it's in the green at all, it's a good sign, right? It helps everything else usually. And it is. Look at everything's going green now. Everything's not ripping today. The normal stocks, they're just up a little bit. But that shows the market has turned around a little bit, right? Except Naked's getting... I'm just going to jump to Naked here for a second because I know some people are in on that here. Shit. I fucking knew that was going to happen too. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, wow. Hopefully everybody pulled out of their positions. I know people are just in here to make money. Tesla's at $788. It's 1.35 or 1.34. It just went up in the green today, guys. I know a bunch of you are still in on that. So these stocks that were ripping the other day are now collapsing, okay? That's down quite a bit. That's usually what happens when there's a huge pump on a stock that doesn't have any... I don't know. I'm not saying that because I know nothing on this stock. I'm just saying usually a pharmaceutical company is in testing stuff, usually, and it's pumped just because and not because it's credentials and what it has on the table or news. Okay, it's very rare when it is, but it does happen for sure. Usually it's just a pump and there's nothing to back the financial gain of it, so it slowly weeps. Okay, I'm not saying it's for the stock. I'm just saying that that's what I look for too, right? Then you'll know. I'm just going back here. So I'm just giving you guys some enlightenment on that. Okay, not on that stock, but in general, right? I've seen it happen so much. I'm gonna go back over to this other side here. Got so many stocks now, guys, looking at here. You guys are all over the place, which is good. Okay, go back to AMC here so you can see what's going on. I'm gonna put this, refresh this here for you guys. Pull you all the way back here. What the hell was I doing? There we go. Can you guys see that okay? Excuse me. Okay. Okay, let's get inside. I have 2 accounts too. Right on. Right on, you guys. That's up to you. I agree with you, Ryan. Yeah, you guys know what you're doing. You guys know what you're doing. I can tell your comments are, like I said that's the other day, your comments are totally different than when you guys first came on. I can roughly know when you guys came on. Everybody's different, but yeah, you're just not as, you guys aren't as stressed. I can tell. Like, you're more kicked back. You're asking me questions like, oh, I got this in place, this and that. I'm not selling for under 1,000. There you go. There you go. That's good, guys. That's good. Before you're asking different questions, and I'm not going to get into them. Not that I'm putting you down. Like, I was in the same way. Like, trust me. It does. The idea will take us for sure. We're at 2% right now. Fuck, we're going up slowly though. It's usually how this stock goes. I know it'll climb and then it goes dun, 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 and then it'll go up, consolidate, go up. How's our volume? It's volume 8 mil, so that you can't percentage. Fuck, I should have wrote the market cap down first. Okay, shares out, free float. That's weird. That's a fucking free float. Shares out. Yeah, that number doesn't make any fucking sense anyways because it's synthetics. You have 4 accounts. Oh wow, that's even, wow, that's good. Good. The only way to drive the rocket is Cap. That's why I have 2 accounts. And if you guys don't have 2 accounts, I wouldn't be freaking out and all that stuff. I mentioned that months and months ago. If you're gonna do something, you should have done it back then. Okay. But I heard that there's a couple. There's a couple people that transferred funds just even a couple days ago, and they're already in. Right. I already got an email this morning, so it isn't taking that long to pull out of Webull and Robinhood. Okay. That's fine, Johnny. That's fine. Yeah. Fidelity's, I heard, because I can't use Fidelity. It's impossible. Unless, yeah, it's just impossible. I don't have bank accounts in the States. But the thing is I heard they're up there with one of the best, okay? And their rating is good. And computer shares. I don't know if this was an old mail I was reading, but they're going to have them or they have them. Okay, I don't know for sure, but the article I read, it didn't have a date on it, but they said that they were getting them. Okay, so they probably have them by now. I don't know how old that, and that's freaking good. Okay. Steve, those are the 2 you have, Webull and Robinhood. I'm just bugging you. How do you feel about that though? I'm asking you as a person. Right? How do you feel about that? Right? Do you feel confident? I'm not putting you on the spot. Well, I kind of am a bit, but I'm just going to ask you, like, that's up to you. Webull and Robinhood. Well, hey, it's better than just having one. Okay? I'm just going to say that. You're 50% better than just having the one. Okay? You live in the States then, obviously, right? I'm just trying to think for you here. Are you comfortable with that though? If you're comfortable as a person with it, then just, it is what it is, right? I'm just going off of what happened in the past. Good morning there, Cookin. I don't want to stress you out. That's not my intention, or anybody's intention on here. Yeah, they do, Captain. That's not my worries. That's not my worries about the payment for order flow shit. That's not even in my mind. It's what it's how they can control. They try to control the market, and they can stop. They pulled it before a couple times, okay, and you asked that the other day. I don't know anything about Cap. You're into that stuff a little bit, aren't you? Can you help free up with that question? He asked it yesterday, and I'm Canadian. I don't know anything about that. So, I think you do, if you wanted to do a switch, I think you have time. I wouldn't do both of them at the same time to switch. I would just do one. It only takes a couple days, 2-3 days. And, hey brother, how you doing? Oh, thanks, buddy. Yeah. Well, that's what I told you. That's what I said in the beginning. Some people are like, you're full of shit. I got multiple businesses on the go, right? You guys have received my product. It's 100% plus 1,000%, right? If I make a mistake, I'll come clean on it, right? Like with the computer shares, I was misinformed and I was jaded on my own beliefs, and that's what I carried on to you guys, so that's why I corrected it, right? I intentionally don't try to hurt people, right? Manjeet, okay, what was that? I didn't read that. Somebody said, what did you say, Manjeet? All I need is a sell button. That's true, Steve. That's true, Steve. It's you have it in 2 separate accounts, so that's better than 1. Okay, like seriously, man. That's up to you if you wanted to switch or anything like that. That's up to you. The wolves on here will help you with that. Lots of them, the ones on here right now, probably 3/4 of them have switched. That's up to you. I'm not gonna push you on that. I was just telling you that's the option out there. Okay, my friend, I'll leave it alone. Unless you bring up more, okay? Out of respect for you, okay? Okay, what is going on here? Is the squeeze still happening? Oh, is that, what's his name? I watched a couple, somebody sent me his video. A young guy with blonde hair. Wears a tin hat sometimes. Seriously, he put a tin hat on. He's always against AMC, no squeeze and all. He's just trying to get, because he knows that if he puts something like that on there, that 3/4 of the people are going to click on it. Okay, no problem, Steve. Okay, so what I was going to say is so let me think about that one. Oh, how YouTube works. Even if you click on this channel and you click on it and it loads past the commercial, that's classed as a hit on his site. Okay, it doesn't matter if you watch the whole video or not. He still gets paid for it. Okay, just so you guys know. As soon as you click that thumbnail. Okay? Okay, a lot of FUD being... Oh, yeah. Manji, it's going to get really bad. It already is getting a friggin' ridiculous. You guys wait. I just... That's why I haven't put on... You guys are probably wondering, well, what the friggin' hasn't Cameron put any videos out? Because there's no new information out there. A lot of people are making videos with all the old information, putting it into one, and I've just seen it. It's just getting ridiculous. I could put a video. I was going to put one out, but I just don't. On the hearing, see, it's all covered, and it just doesn't make any sense. You guys all know that. Right? You know about all the problems with Vlad and what's his name, and that's not really enough. That's not stuff for a video, right? Like that's just hatred in itself, right? There's no education out of that. Trigger for a margin call. Okay, just am I missing something here? Margin call, trigger for the margin call. I watched a couple of videos on that. To be honest, that I'm stepping off on that one. You guys can answer that. I'll leave that to you wolves to answer that question. I had some correct incorrect information on that, and I didn't really blast it out there. It's just that I'm going to stump on that one. I'd have to do a little bit of research because what I was assuming already passed. Okay, so and that was from some clickbait. Okay, so I have been so busy to be honest with you. Who said that? Cooking. I'm not gonna answer something I don't know. I know a little bit about, and I don't know the factual information on it, so I'm not gonna pass that on, because if I mention it, then some people go with it, right? Not intentionally, but it is what it is, right? And I don't want to do that to you guys. So does anybody else know? We're gonna throw this out here. Does anybody know about what will trigger the margin call? Will trigger a margin call, guys? Does anybody know? Like factual information, though? Not just off of videos and stuff? Oh, Cap, I seen that cartoon too, I think. Sorry, guys. Here, have a blast of vape. Reverse psychology. Yes, Ed. Yes. That's the other one. Ed, you just said Ken Griffin is getting away with. That is the main title on all the clickbait right now. Is high. I can go check that out for you, Cap, for sure. And I know you already did, but I'll check it out for everybody else. We'll go over to Stockstera for that. That is all over the place. And I would have to put one out with the same thing, and I'm not doing it. I'm not playing into that stuff. You guys, you guys will get. I don't want you guys. Yeah, it is what it is. You guys know. Maybe a market crash. Okay, so Mr. L's and maybe a market crash. Yeah, Rastaman, Steve. You're hilarious, brother. I like you. So, anyways, I'm gonna jump over and check some numbers over on Stockstera here for you guys. Let's have a look, see before I take off here to another thing. MMAT is up 3.62%. It is at $6.44. I know a couple of you are in that play. Fuck that Clove, man. Oh my god. I know there's still people holding Clove. Fuck, I just wish it would go back up to where it was before so you guys could get the hell out of it. Damn it. That pisses me off, man. Okay, guys. I'm going to jump in here and look at some stuff for you here. Where did my internet go? Where did my button go? There it is. Excuse me. Stockstera. Short volume interest. Okay, here we go. Did I collapse anything on you guys? No, it's still there. Okay, good. Okay, we'll pull this up. Put this over on that screen over here. Okay. Let's see the difference here. This thing will tell us right here. Okay, today's date is yesterday's the 28th, so it does have it. Actually, what do you talk? Oh, Cap, what do you? The short interest. The short interest on. Okay, I'm gonna clarify because there's two different ones. On the volume, is that what you're asking, or on the short interest in general? Because there's two different ones, right, my friend? One of the smaller hedges will run out of money. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, yeah. A couple of them already have. In the UK, and the UK guys can, to second that, 2 hedge funds have already gone bankrupt over GME. It was all over the news. In London, I heard. It was on, I made a video on it, right? Small, I don't know how big they are, but they lost billions of dollars on GME. And that was, they didn't fold until like halfway through the summer. It took them that long. I don't know if they completely folded, but they were in bankruptcy protection, and usually that's like you're done, right? When you're asking for the government for help. And I don't know the laws over there, how it works, so you guys would know more about that than me. I was just throwing that out there. Okay, What the hedge funds are doing is taking 2 steps back and 1 step trading up the price was rise to repeat. Okay, you guys know more about it than me. See, I told you. See, that I know when I'm not gonna put FUD out there. I hate that word actually. I'm not gonna put bullshit out there. Let's use the older term. Yeah, Manjeet, all of us do. Like, fuck, this is retarded. Well, it would have been usually up to a year for a squeeze planned event. Yeah, see, you're right, Sanjay. It did happen. Yeah. So as of a year, this started. I know it was priming before December. There's a couple of people because that's how it was all. It came up. The paperwork came out when they canceled. They stopped doing it. Was the Wall Street? There was a paper that came out to everybody. It was a little brochure that came out, and it showed the shorted interest on all the stocks about how bad they were hedged. Okay, they don't do it anymore. They stopped it. Okay, now we have to look onto the internet and all that. Excuse me. So that's how they had that paper. It was all over the place, and that was what the main Wall Street bets had on their website, right on the front page. If you guys remember when they first started it, that was it, and they had targets. Target number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. GME was the first target. AMC wasn't the second, and then I think it was the third, and then it bumped up to the second. So yeah, there you guys go on that one. That paperwork's not out anymore. It was called Wall Street something. I can't remember. You guys probably know what it is. Okay, back to here. Okay, Cap, did you was it short volume interest, or was it shorted interest, like the interest they have to pay? There's 2 different types, my friend, because you're saying shorted interest. Because I'm on a chart right now. I'll just explain what I got here. Okay, as of yesterday, the short volume interest has gone down. Okay, it was the day before on the 27th. It was 52. Math. Remember, this is the volume. Okay, it's $52.20 or sorry, 52.29%. Okay, that's shorted volume. Now today it's 30 or yesterday it's 38.94. Okay, I don't know what it is today because it's not out. So on the 27th it was 52.29%, the shorted volume, and the 28th it was 38.94. Okay, and that's on Stocks Era if you want to check it out. Short interest on volume. Okay, because there's 2 different ones there. It didn't say up there. Yeah, thank you, brother. Okie dokie, man. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get right out of there. We're gonna put this back up for you guys, and I'll answer some questions here. What? Really, Benji? No, I know, Cap. I know, brother. I know. Thank you, though, bro. Oh. I have, and so in Fidelity, it does let you. Oh. Spartan, good day, my friend. Angel. Fidelity, it does let you. Maybe did they seize it or something? Was there cease and desist on it? Because as you know, oh, 3%. Fuck, you guys are good. They might have a long... Oh, there you go. As you guys know, things are going to start getting weird, like, because of the guaranteed there's synthetics out on Sundial. I know they have a lot of shares. They're fucking a huge amount of shares. I don't even know how they got issued that many shares, to be honest with you. But it is what it is. That's the problem. There's synthetics all over the fucking place. It's really, really sad, actually. Okay, guys, did you want me to look up anything here? Do you guys want... We're laddering up. Yeah, we are, my friend, for sure. Little baby steps. This is how this stock usually rolls. It usually goes little... and it'll go down, and then we'll gain little fragments at a time. Oh, okay, they need a reason to do the share count to force a margin call. Okay. Oh, Johnny got the same message, Manjeet. Yeah, the failure to delivers. I was just on there. Fucking huge, man. Huge. That stocks error tells you everything like that. And it's way better than Ortex. Like, the fucking numbers are totally different on the two. Glock, good morning, brother. I gotta throw some wolfies out for you guys here. I haven't been slipping on my game here. We'll do some support GME, AMC, and wolfies, and then AMC to the fucking moon. Excuse me. Lucid, is it ripping again? Good. Let's have a look at that. Give me something to do here, guys. That's what I was asking you. Is there anything I know? I'm sitting here all dormant. I'm feeling like you guys don't love me anymore. It's definitely on a rip. It's over 10%. Definitely a rip ski. I bought my Sundial on Fidelity. You have to agree with on the risk. Warren, what's the risk? What would be the risk, Warren? That you might get high? I'm just being an asshole. Not towards you, just in general. Okay. $27.67, 12.7. Oh, it keeps on going all over the place. Holy shit, is it ever? 12.65%, I'll throw that out there. It's doing pretty good, man. Whoever's in on this, usually these are long plays, though. Like, that's, right, it's like Tesla, right? MG, what's up? Good morning, brother. Good morning. That's weird. I've bought another... Okay, that's shit. Sundial hits $1 a day in 5,000 shares. Ooh, I know a lot of you. How about Irish Mint? Welcome, my friend. I've never seen you on the chat bar before. Welcome, brother. I hope you're a brother. I can't tell by your handle there. I can look up that for you for sure. For sure. I just give me 1 second. Yes, I did. I did see that. Yes, Cap. Yes, I noticed that. That's crazy, man. You caught that. I just want to check something out here, my friends. Oh, what am I doing here? Fucking around here. Go back now. All the way back. Okay, I just want to look at something here. 28's the high for the day. What's the overall? 64 it was at one time. Holy shit. Wow. Yeah, the company's come a long ways. This company, I know that. I know. I keep on getting blips on my Google News about it all the time. Okay. Same, but no smaller potatoes compared. Okay, you Irish man, you wanted me to. Thanks, old lady there. Okay, good thing I asked. Okay. Not a problem. Not a problem. Not a problem, girl. I'll look it up for you. Just gotta see what you got here. I'm just going back up the messages here. Sorry about that. Alter. Ater. A-T-E-R. I've never looked this one up before. Is it this one right here? There, girl? Is it Ater Inc? Is this the right one? Just give me a thumbs up if it is. You don't have to type a whole bunch of stuff. What's the high of this for the high? They've already turned over 14%. They don't. Well, they got a little bit of shares. They got a lot of shares. They got shares for sale for sure. Okay, $48, $48.99. $48.99. A low of 3. Ooh, somebody could have made some good money on this, baby. 3, that's up thousands of percent. Or no, 300. Okay, 3, 6. Yeah, it's up there. That's up there. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to pull this on the bigger chart here. I'm going to put it on the 30-minute just so we can have a pullback. So as of, that's 30-minute. We're going to go on the 1 hour. It's easier for me. There's the $18. It's down. It doesn't pull down that fast, though. It looks like it does it in like baby steps. It doesn't go poof down. So that tells me that this company has backing, okay? Yeah, see, it goes up in little baby steps and goes down. And I don't see that much red on this stock. There's more green than red, or equal. Usually it's the other way around. Oh, back here it does a little bit, but that's just sell-off stuff, right? And another thing I noticed that there isn't that much pump after hours. It's pretty much neutral after hours, which tells me that that a lot of institutions aren't buying and battling it out. It just stays maybe 1 or 2, but yeah, it's usually calm, and then during the day is when it goes up. That's good signs, actually. Very, very. Look at that, guys. I think right back here, very, very, very clean. Yeah, it does. Every stock has its bad days. That's a bad day, but it didn't go down that much, really. Yeah, if you own in on this, it looks like a good stock to me, right? As you can see, it has dots all over the screen. That's because there's low volume in it on after hours. But yeah, depends on what you bought it at and all that stuff, and that's your personal information. You know that. But yeah, I give this about a 7 out of 10 for sure on that one. And I don't know, that's just going not knowing anything off of it by just looking at. I only did 2 steps that I do. I usually do about 5 or 6 when I'm buying a stock. I didn't look it over to the year end. I don't look at the credentials, the news hour, all that stuff. You would know that because obviously you're asking about it, right? But as me looking from an angle here, it doesn't look that bad. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back to AMC for you guys. Nope, what's going on here? There we go, there we go. We're getting our typical, doesn't look like a ladder. That just looks like normal. I don't see it going crazy. I don't see that levitating shit. It's just slowly going like, here, I'm going to hit the refresh button here. Yeah, I don't see any ladder. I don't see any short attack here. Yeah, it's still early though, guys. Not a problem. Not a problem there. Are you actually from Ireland, or is that just a name that you like? That's a pretty cool name, actually. That's so slow. If they are bleeding us, they're doing a very slow job of it. Oh, I hope so too, Sasha and Ed. It'd be nice to crack it off 80. Originally. Okay, cool. That's cool. I'd love to go there. I would love to go there. Why do you think the hedgies even bother? Oh, man. Oh, man. I got so much to say about that. I can't say it on a live feed. Oh, Joshua, you're hilarious. That's weird how they keep on doubling down and shorting the shit out of this even more. It's like, what the? It doesn't make sense. Like, I don't know. I have no. I don't have an answer to that one. I still don't know how the hell what they even think. Like, it must not be their money. It must be the firms or something. I don't know. But it's not just one. It's like, I'm pretty sure there's some hedge funds that aren't doubling down, that are stuck in a position and they're screwed themselves. Of course, right? It's like me. You guys all know that I've been on the channel. I got those three stocks that I bought when I was uneducated as much as I am now, and I told you how I bought them after hours, and I did some things that I shouldn't have done, and I'm down like 80% on those two stocks. I'm down about 20 grand. Okay, it hurts, but I will not sell those stocks until I recover my money, even if it takes me till I die. I'll pass them on to my son, right? Or my daughter. So it just, I guess that's kind of the same way that they think. I don't know, because I'm kind of being, I don't know, but that's just how it is. Like, you only lose money when you cash it in, right? It probably is, Joshua. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. You have to think that I've bumped into a lot of rich people I've met that are pretty cool people, actually. But a majority of the ones that are like filthy rich, or that are born into money. I'm not saying all, because there's so many personalities out there. I'm just saying a majority ones that are born into, like, I don't know. I know multi-millionaires. I don't know any billionaires. Okay, I don't, right? But I know some people that have this attitude that their shit don't stink, and I think that's this type of attitude, right? I'm not going to get beat by these fucking peasants, right? Because that's what they think of us. A majority of them, not all of them, right? Yeah, you guys are nailing it. Spartans definitely nailed it. Definitely a couple of hits of it, for sure. Excuse me. You see AMC going to $30. Ali, I'm just going back up the messages. Sorry to take a long time to answer your question, my friend. It's too early to tell, my friend. Totally. I usually can, like yesterday, I knew that it was going to stay in those brackets. Maybe not 100%, because nobody really knows, right? But you can sort of get it. You can sort of get a sort of a feeling on it by about 9:30, 10. Okay, there's a lot of traders that don't even get out of bed until 9:30, 10. Plus, there's time shift of 2-3 hours difference, right? Even more, or yeah, 3-4 hours difference, right? So depends where you are, and there's yeah. So never been around Mr. L. No, I haven't been around any billionaires, like I said, but millionaires, yeah, I got a couple. We have a couple in our family, right? But They don't share money with us, and they always talk about how much money they got, right? Like, and I have nowhere near the, like, wow, yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, they treat me like, well, I hate to say it, nothing, no disrespect with the women on here, but it seems like the rich women are more cocky than the guys. Okay, just in the conversation, especially after a couple glasses of wine, because I've seen them at family gatherings and stuff, just how they act and stuff, and with all their jewelry and gold and all that shit, right? So, anyways, it is what it is. I'm not putting down any ladies at all. I have total respect for ladies, right? But yeah, I'm talking about that group, at least in my family, right? And I know there are probably some of them are watching it right now, and I don't give a shit, okay? As they know my attitude when it comes to that crap. But everything I've done, I've worked very hard for. Except I didn't work. Well, yeah, that was gonna with my stock market with the COVID pill. I'm gonna say I didn't work that hard for it, but yeah, that put me under a lot of stress. That's probably why I got no friggin' hair. But but yeah, guys. I'm gonna jump into Twitter here for a second. You guys can chat away there. I'm just gonna see if there's anything new that came up here. Twitter's been pretty active, but with that Kenny shit all over the place. It's all over the place, man. Trades 101. Oh, Jason sent me some stuff. Thanks, Jason. Thank you. Thanks for sending me these screenshots and stuff, guys. Did Matt Coors just message me? Are you fucking kidding me? No. He don't like me. No. Oh, okay. It was a feed over on Twitter. Twitter's weird sometimes. He's responding to something that Ortex said. I'm not even gonna read his fucking email. Fuck him. But anyways, it just looked weird how that message came over to me. Right? It was a carryover, a retweet or something. I don't know. Fuck. I don't understand. Some things on Twitter I don't understand. Like, I think a lot of you are in the same way, right? It's weird. Yeah, I'm gonna go off. All it is Kenny this, Kenny. It's fuck God. It's all the same shit. Okay, guys, I'm not going to waste your time with that crap. Ken Griffin telling people to stop and let her attack, but perfect clear. Absolutely not. Pick up the phone. About time Sinnoh starts engaging peasants. We are not leaving. No, we're not. We are not, Spartan. We are not leaving at all. At all. We got this shit locked down, my friend. Okay. I'm just going to have a look at my portfolio. My portfolio is pretty much changing because of all the stocks we look up all the time. Just having a look here. Am I in the red today? Well, Suncor, yeah, I'm in the red on that one a bit. BlackBerry's pulled itself up a bit. It's back in the green, but not by much. It's 0.16 in the green BlackBerry a bit. Fucking Microvision came back a little bit. It was down like, was it like 4 or 5%? It's almost par right now. It's only 0.86 in the red. Sundial's gone up. Sundial was down quite a bit this morning. It's in the green now. Good. 0.85. I know it's not much, but excuse me. It is what it is, right? And crypto is almost all of them are 1% in the green. Except Bitcoin's down 0.34 in the red. In the red. Shit, naked's down even more. 8.30. Is Angel on here? Did you pull out of your position yet, my friend? Yeah, we do have sideways action. Total sideways action. B Ghost, what's up? Oh, it's all good, man. It's all good. It's all good. Let's make sure that I got everything right. Got everything. Oh, I'll unlock that Glock. Your message got locked by YouTube. I just unlocked it for you. I didn't catch it in time. Are you kidding me? YouTube blocked that because you said F/ing? What the fuck is that? Yeah, I got all the questions answered. I think ladder them. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go through. It looks like we've only. Yeah, we're not. It's pretty. What time is it? It's only an hour. It's 7:42. 7:42 Pacific time. Cameron, appreciate you getting on here every morning and giving us hope. Oh, not a problem. Not a problem, my friend. Not a problem. I do what I can. I could probably do more, but there's like I said. Excuse me. I could probably do more. It's just that I just don't want to put crap out to you guys, right? I know I've been kind of stale. Like the channel's been kind of like lagging a bit, like with material and posts and stuff. Nope, they can't block that one, Sanjay. Nope. So yeah, that's like it is what it is. I just hope you guys respect that. It's just how I am, right? And I do appreciate it. Some people when there's when are we gonna start talking dividends? We can do a bit of it now if you want. We got nothing to do. It's one of those mornings that we're just line watching, right? I only do it a certain amount. I only line watch in the morning with you guys because it's really not good for you, right? But that's why I don't stare at the screen too much. I'll keep on looking around. Because it does do psychological damage, guys, just so you know. Yeah, we can do that. I just wanted to clarify that. So, yeah, we can talk dividend stuff. What do you want to talk about, though? Excuse me. Sorry about that. It's such a broad topic. Talk to me, Glock. What do you want to know? Ask me some questions, guys. And then we can dive into some stuff. Yeah. For sure we can. What did I miss, Cap? Nothing, buddy. We filled your rocket up. It's sitting there ready. I'm cutting out of here early. Seems like we're going to have a green day. Yeah. Peace, Ed. Peace, my friend. What stocks are safe for dividends? Okay. Usually any energy sector stocks are, if the company has a cap in it, fire me some stocks that you want to look up and just put them on your list. I do have a list here. It's in my other. I think it might be. I think the list is at my buddy's house because we're trying to put it. We're gonna try to put it all up. Here's what I'm gonna do for you guys. I'm gonna. Fuck. Then everybody can see it. Shit. Trying to think of how to get you guys this list without everybody seeing it, right? Like, I don't want all of YouTube seeing it, and I only want the subs to see it. Help me out with this one, guys. Help me out. Because there's hours and hours worth of work, and that's not including what you guys have done. These guys, most of these stuff, because I don't have access to this stuff, is the list, the Canadian side list is from you guys, okay? Okay, what are our safe for dividend stocks? The list is long. So even if I post the link to, like, if I put it on my my Google Drive, I can just give you guys the link, and I can authorize that to be on, to just look at that link. But then, good morning, Jay. But then, yeah, Irish, I can look up that for sure. The master list that we put out for the fire sale, I need that to go to you guys without it getting everybody. Yeah, there you go, Sanjay. Whoever wants the list, send me your email handle. There you go. There you freaking go. And then, but then anybody can list that. Then anybody can send and ask for it. That won't work. That won't work. Because anybody listening to this stream right now will know what we're talking about. Fuck. See, I'm going to tell you one thing, but it just, there's a way to do it. I can do it for members, okay? Because there's a way, members have priority over everything, okay? Not subs, members, okay? But you have to be a member, and I can just say, I can make videos that are just for members. Only members can watch it. You have to be a member to watch it, but that affects 3/4 of the people that aren't members, right? And that's forcing you into a subscription, and that's what I don't want to do. That's what's never, that's... I could add everybody to an email list. You guys can't put it on here, though, because there's no, you can't put links on there. Okay, anyways, enough of that. We're going to have to figure something out here. I was going to put it on my wall, right on the wall, but that's only for members, that wall, right? And it doesn't matter what membership package you have. A member's a member, right? Yeah, I know who the regulars are. I do. That's true. That's true. And I think that the only ones that watched the channel, well, there's a lot of people that watch it afterwards because I know the statistics. Like almost half watch at night when they don't even come on here. Okay, well, we'll figure it out. Kim, that's exactly where I'm investing. I'm not putting. I would not recommend putting more than 100,000 into one stock. Okay, I would not, just in case for something happens. I don't know how that would affect you if it did a stock split, right? Like, I don't know. I have no idea about that because I've never put that much. Well, I have, but not into an American company. I don't know anything about that stuff. See, because I got a lot into Suncor Energy, close to that, right? Just under that, like 90. But that's shit. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay, let's get into this list. Okay, so let's start at the top. And you guys can figure out that you guys have my email address, right? Everybody should have it by now. I know how I can do it. Send me your email address, anything that says, hi, this is so-and-so. That's it. I don't need a huge email. Just send it to me to cstrades101@gmail.com. This is what I'll do. I'm going to come on here And make sure it's your same name that's on here. You can put your real name beside it, obviously. But I'm going to call you by your name on here and say, tell me what your email address is. Okay? There. You just have to tell me the first 3 things, not the whole email address. Just tell me the first 2 letters of it. Okay? And then I'll check it off. Okay, that's legit. That's legit. That's legit. And you guys will get a master email list. I mean, the master dividend list come out. There you go. Done. If you guys are up to that one. Okay, so let's get into the top one. Capital Dynex Capital. Okay, Sanjay has one here. I'm going to start at the top. And thank you, Kim. Thank you for bringing this up. It'll give us something to do here. I'll do it for a bit. DX. And then you guys write the ones. Oh, actually, I will write it down. I already have a list. This isn't on the list, though. I can tell you right now. You guys build your own list too, okay? Build your own list. If you like the stock, put it down. I don't want you just going by my list. You can if you want. That's why it's there. But it's up to you. I'm only going to do 10. 10 American, 10 Canadian. The UK stuff I'm not going to get involved with. I can't, right? I can't research it, okay? You guys can do it, and I can show you how to what to look for. I do it with every stock. Every dividend stock is a little bit different, but not by much. Okay, so that is done as Capital. That's it right there. Is it Capital Inc? Oh, that is it. That is it right here. Okay, I got a little bit more. I got not 8.94, not an 892. It does sometimes change when they get their money. Depends how much money they make through the year. Okay, I don't care. Or actually, what is this company into? I don't have any way. It doesn't tell me on here. I don't have a news. I took it off here because I had too many links on the top. Profile. It doesn't have a profile. I need to know what this is. Sanjay, my friend, can you please tell me? And I'm gonna put this. I'll just write this stuff down too. Okay. It's gonna be a little bit of a procedure, but you guys can learn my way. I'm not saying it's the right. It is the way that everybody should do it, right? But this is what I do, and I've never gone wrong on it because you don't want to just buy into a dividend stock because it's high. If it's over 12%, over 10, I get leery. 12% to 15, I don't want anything to do with it. It's too high. The dividend yield's too high. Okay, there's a reason for that. Because usually that's a bad sign. That's a red flag right there. Okay, what you want to do is look for how much capital. Okay, I'll read. Yeah. Oh, buddy, this is it is taking a lot of time to squeeze, but it usually is a short squeeze, like what we're trying to do, is it's planned, man. You just don't all of a sudden, oh, this is gonna squeeze. There has to be a bunch of variables lined up, okay, and it's planned. First, the percentages have to be high enough to do. It has to be shorted enough, right? Then you got to get people interested in it to buy, okay? Then you got to get the volume in there, which we're lacking because of dark pool shit, okay? So that is, you got to have all these things line up perfect for a short squeeze, okay? And that's pretty much. There's a couple more things too. I can't sit down and I've got dividend stuff on my mind too. I'm just trying to answer your question because I don't want to be rude. Usually, it takes a year, guys, and you guys know that already. That if you look back, just look up every short squeeze out there. Even the Volkswagens, it takes a year. It's a planned event. It's planned. Okay. There's a lot involved in it, and it is what it is. It hasn't been a year yet, okay? It's only been, I think it was started in about before we even, because it was way planned before we even heard of any of us heard about it. Okay, at least me. Okay, now I was in since January, so I heard, looking at information back, that around the November time is when they started talking about it. Okay, that's when that list shit came out. Roaring Kitty started with the GME thing that around that time. Even before that, he was way before that. Okay, that was a process in the making with him. Okay, if you watched his documentary on it, he worked on this a long time. Okay, he had a YouTube channel. He didn't even have that many followers at the beginning, and then they started following, and he started talking about this. See, that's what I'm talking about. It builds up. Okay, so does that help you at all, guys? I know, and we're in what month right now? It's like January, February is pretty much when it started getting rocking and rolling. When I even heard about it up here in Canada, it was January. Okay, just so you guys know, and it wasn't even that popular by then. Okay, just so you guys know that, because nobody knew about it up here hardly. My son told me about it. I was interested in GME at first, but the prices were too high, right? I just couldn't wrap my head around it, and that's the only reason why I bought AMC. Okay, let's get into this. Sorry, my friends. I just wanted to answer that question because I don't want to ignore you guys. Okay, guys, I will just to be fair, I'm just going to be in the, see if you start asking me questions. Yeah, not a problem, Warren. I will put my email address up here. Not a problem. Just give me 1 second, guys. And then I'll fact check it, like when you guys come on here, to make sure there's no imposters trying to get our shit. And you're only thinking, well, it's no big deal if they get the list. Yeah, it is. Okay, we don't want people buying in on this shit when we do. Okay, it's not, because we're on this long. This is an investment for us for the rest of our lives. This, just so you guys know, these are long plays. These are getting passed on to your kids. Okay, we're gonna be buying these so fucking low that they'll probably never be this low again. Okay, in the fire sale. Okay. And we've all put a lot of work into this. Okay, so that is my email, and I'm going to pin it, okay, to the top. And I will go over this again for people that aren't on here, okay? I will go on here again, and a couple times. I'll do this 3-4 times to give everybody a chance. Okay, there you guys go, my friends. Okay, let's get into this. Okay, we know the interest, or the dividend yield reward is the yield is 8.94%. Okay, and this can change. Okay, but right now it is at that. Okay. Okay, we're gonna look at shares out, shares free float. We're cool on that. Okay, it looks good. The stock doesn't turn over that much at all. That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, because the thing with dividend stocks, if the price is red, you're still getting your dividend money every 3 months, okay? If it's set up on the 3-month term, okay? So, okay, the company is into, somebody told me it's a mortgage investment fund. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Property has made lots of people money over like generations and generations, ever since the beginning of time, pretty much. Okay, so let's have a look here at, just want to check one thing out here. And sorry for everybody that is, I will go back and forth to stocks and the prices on them. I just want to check some stuff out here. $17, $25. Okay, let's get the year average. $20.14. Fuck, there's nothing wrong with that. That's a solid stock, man. There's only a fluctuation of like $5 roughly in a year. That's solid, dude. That's solid. Okay, so I am very comfortable. If I bought it at $17, and I know the price really doesn't, it does matter, but it doesn't matter because it is what it is. But you want to see how versatile this stock is, up and down. If she has sweeps way up, out of control, down to nothing, and back and forth, it's a little, because that means that it's not stable. Okay, so this thing's a stable stock. Okay. It doesn't matter if it's a tax, all that stuff. I'm not looking at that. I want to look at the fluctuation. If I put this money in here at this price, and it's going to be lower than this. You know that, guys. But I'm just saying for now, okay? I'm very comfortable that I'm going to get my money back. And I won't have to wait that long if I had to cash it out, because things do happen in life. What if you get terminally ill, right? And hope God forbid you don't. But there's reasons in life why you liquidate stocks. It's life, right? So let's get off this. Go back onto the 1 minute. Or no, I'm going to put it back on the 1 hour or 1 day to get the hell out of here, or else I have to go back forever. Okay, we're right here again. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Okay. Okay, I already looked at this. Doesn't matter how much it overturns a day. Very low 3-month average of 500,000. Okay, the news on this stock. Okay, we know it's a mortgage company. It's out of the States, obviously. I don't know what they're invested in. I don't have that information out right now. So what you need to do is, if you guys are gonna, yeah, not a problem, Mr. Al. Okay. Oh, somebody just subbed to the channel. You'll be able to talk in 10 minutes to us, my friend. Okay? Thanks for the sub. So, okay, I'm going to check that one off. What I would recommend doing is, guys, if you're going to invest in this, and this is I'm not going to do all the work 100%, okay? I did the fine tuning on this end for it, okay? I'm very comfortable. That's a good yield. It's not scary yield. It's on the upper end, okay, of success, I call it. I'm very comfortable with what I see here, okay? Because the average, I checked everything out that I could, that is available to me. I'm going to put a star by that one. What you need to do is go find out if this company owes any money anywhere, okay? If they own a substantial amount of money out, and find out how much cash they have. You can find that stuff out, okay? It's all common knowledge, especially on a dividend stock. Do they have any cash in reserve, okay? If they have cash in reserve, that's good. If they have no cash available and they're in debt, that's very concerning, okay? I'd put it on the bottom of the list then, okay? That's the only two things you need to check out, okay, guys? That's for every stock, every dividend stock, okay? So that right now, it's one of the top of the list. You need to check the news on that. And if I'm going to invest in it, I will too. Okay? So this has only been checked for, no news feed has been checked on it. And you want to see if it's any lawsuits too. Google this company and lawsuits. Okay? You don't want to buy into a company that's involved in a lawsuit. Okay? Trust me. Okay? Let's move on to the next one. That's funny, Tess. Oh, brother. That's funny. What is it at right now? I'm just going to jump back and forth here because I'm going to keep track of everything. Well, we've gone down a bit, eh? It is what it is, guys. Okay. I'm just going to bounce here a little bit. Okay. Next one, my friends. Just hang on. I'll go back up the list. I know it's going to take a little bit of while, but remember they bought it, people in the investment shareholders. Thanks, guys, for all your emails. I will get you that out to you. It's not going to be immediate. This could be a couple of weeks. We're not doing this until this. It's going to, when the squeeze happens, okay, the fire sale will already be starting, but it's not going to just fucking end like that one day, okay? You're going to have to let your money, you're going to get all your money and stuff like that into your account, and then pay your fucking taxes right away before you do anything, okay? Hi, Jan. How you doing? I got your email. I do have your email. Good morning. How you doing? I sent you hang on a second, guys, just because I sent you an email the other day. You haven't responded. I don't know if you got it or you must have, because I sent it to your email. For your you paid for a conversation with me, right? So I wanted to set that up with you for talk time. You paid for the subscription for it, so I wanted to set that up with you. I'm not using Zoom. I've had too many issues with the friggin' thing. It keeps on logging onto my computer because I'm set up with all this stuff, and it messes up everything on here, including that's why I have audio problems in the morning. It has just been an ongoing thing because my phone's connected to my computer, and I have to have it like that. But if you have Google, I found this the other day, and it works like a dream. If you have Google or Gmail, you can go on the bottom on your phone on Gmail and hit the message thing, what is it? Video chat. That's it. Video chat. And you can go right through to the person with your email, and you can connect. It sends them all this stuff, and you just hit connect, done. And it's so clear and crisp, and it's beautiful. That's the way everybody we're going to be talking now if you pay for that subscription. Okay? So, anyways, on to things here. I will send it to you for sure. Okay, Okay, tippy cup. Just emailed you, Cam. Oh, fuck off. Not you guys, this. I'm at the bottom already? No. I am at the bottom already. Oh, there it's 4 p.m.? Okay, I can imagine. Sorry, Glock. Sorry. I don't understand what you're asking. How much capital for 2 to 3K yield every 3 months? Is that what you're asking? Like how much to get out of that stock that we were just on? Is that what you're asking, my friend? I can show you how to figure it out. Excuse me. And you got to pay taxes on that too. Yeah, MC, not a problem. Not a problem, my friend. I'll get it to you, and I'm gonna go through the list before, like, I'll send you before I send anything. I'll get your guys' email, and I'm gonna verify it on here with you live, and just ask what are the first 2 characters of your email. And once you tell me on here, I need to verify to make sure it's legit, that it's your email was sent to me, and then check, and then I'll sit down and I'll put all your emails onto a list, and I'll send it all, and you'll all get it at once. Okay, here's one. Sun Senior Investment Finance. Sanjay, ticker symbol, please. Is it at SUN? Just want to make sure that nobody else has sent me anything, guys. Oh, I know one that's right on the top that we don't need to look for is that AT&T. You guys know. Okay, thanks, Ken. Glock who? I'm driving endless. Yeah, not a problem. Not a problem, Jan. Not a problem. The list won't be coming out for a week. Like, I'm not putting the list out until the squeezes. Like, it just, there's a reason before that. I don't want to get sidetracked, and it's not fair to everybody else around us, right? We all want to enter at the same time. We don't want prices going up because people are buying in on it. That's why it's all private. We all buy at the same time, or else it's not fair. I want to be fair on this, and I'll be buying live with you guys. Okay, how much capital for that? Oh, just in general? Okay, Glock, I'll figure that out in my head while I'm doing the Sun Senior Invest. Is that what the ticker symbol? I'm late to the party. What's going on, Cam? What we're doing is doing a list for our dividend stocks for the fire sale. And even if this fire sale supposedly doesn't have whatever, right? We're still making a list, and after the squeeze, I'm still buying, even if because I got to set myself up a little bit better, because price of things are going up higher, I've noticed, and what I had for my retirement, I can live fine. It's just that I'm starting to cut corners, okay? I'm noticing that. Like, it's because of COVID, I had to go back to work for 3 months, and I should have went back to work for 6 months, but it is what it is. And now I have multiple things on the go. I know that. and I'm trying to not be greedy, but I know the price of shit's gonna go fucking insane, especially food, in the next 10 years, and I don't want to be 67 years old. Well, I'd only be 50 years old in 10 years, but I don't want to be a peasant at that age and begging for food and going back to work. I don't want to be that guy working at 7 years old at Walmart, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that, okay? Because some of those, here in Canada, you don't pay taxes, okay? If you go back to work, or no, you pay taxes, but you don't, fuck, there's something, your tax bracket's way lower, okay? So that's what we're doing. And Tess, send me your email, okay? Because what we're doing is an email verification afterwards on it. So that's the gist of it. Okay. The Twitter that you sent me, I think I did. You sent me a screenshot of the stocks, right? Am I correct? Because I got a lot of Twitters. I think I did check it. Son, okay, let's get on with this. Okay, we're fuck. Just hang on. I gotta see if this is a ladder attack. Just hang on, guys. Fuck. That's weird. It's not. We got no volume, so it's hard to tell. We got no fucking volume coming in. I think we are getting a ladder attack. It's just they're not doing a hammer. Like, they're not hammering because we don't have that major volume coming in where it's going to start bouncing it. Yeah, they're pulling it down somehow. They're directing it all to the dark pool, probably. For sure. Bullshit. Okay. S-U-N. Excuse me. I'm getting a whole bunch of stocks on that. Sanjay. What's the actual full name of the company, my friend? Yeah, that was you. That was you. Yeah, I read them. Yeah, that's right. Citizen, brother. I have your email list. I have your email. You don't have to worry. You're golden. And I know who you are. I've talked to you lots in the last night and stuff. So yeah, you're golden. You don't have to do anything. The list will be sent to you after the squeeze. As soon as the squeeze is happening, because people will be cashing out in different ways. As soon as the squeeze, an actual squeeze, not a gamma, not a FOMO, the actual squeeze, when we're at thousands of percent, the list will be coming out. Okay, because people will be selling at different places, at different prices, right? Okay, I'm waiting for you, Sanjay. Senior investment. Oh, you did say it. Okay, son, senior investment. I got it. I see it. No, it's under a different. It's under SLR. This is it. Thanks, brother. Sorry, bro. I got it. $15. Yeah, these aren't bad prices to buy in, man. Because as you know, the more shares you buy. Okay, what am I looking for again? Oh, fuck. Oh. Okay, let's look here. Shares out. That's fine. Dividend yield, 7.68. Yeah, we got the same thing here. So, let's have a look at this. Senior Investment Corp. What are they into? That could mean anything. It could mean strategy management. It could mean anything. Sanjay, what do they do? Is it life insurance company like Sun? Okay, the high. There you go again. It's in that good bracket. The high of $16 and some chump change, a low of $12. So at $15 all day long, if I have to liquidate this because of anything, right? Emergency, family emergency or something, I can solar senior. Oh fuck. I'm on the wrong one then. Or no, this is it. It has to be it because it is it. It has to be because the dividend yield is exactly what you said. So, yeah, Suns. It is the right one. So, I know all day long that if I have to liquidate it, I'm only going to lose a little bit or I'll come ahead because it trades all day long at these prices. So it passed rule number 1. The first test it passed. So that's worth writing it down just over that. Okay? Suns. Senior investment. Corp. Yeah, I'm gonna need to do one more, and then you guys get the gist. You guys can make your own lists or whatever if you want to add to it. I know the gentlemen and ladies in the UK. I don't know. Is it easy for you to buy U.S. I don't know how that works. Is it easy to buy U.S. stocks? Do you want U.S. stocks, or do you want stocks from the UK? Okay, you're gonna have to do your own list on the UK stuff, but I'm showing you how to do it. Okay. So the dividend royalty yield is 7.76. Okay, I love the number. That's fine. It's not high. It's a good payout. Now what we need to do is check. Oh no, we don't have to check that because we already know what the range is. I don't even need to check the candle shit. Okay, I only check that if it doesn't pass the first test. I dig deeper. So it passed those tests. Okay, I have so many. Yeah, dude, yeah. We already have a full list though, Sanjay. Okay, we already have 10 on the list that I've done already. I'm just doing this to show you guys what to do if you want to add to your list. Okay, just so you know, my friend, don't get too crazy. They do loans. Okay, that's good. Loan companies will always make money. Okay, unless they get in a bad shit, of course. But I'm just saying in general, loans will always be needed, especially with a collapse on the market. Okay, that'll fuck a lot of people, and I hate to say that, but it's a lot of people are going to lose money. And you guys know, I don't know if I've told you this before. If you when it hits a fire sale, all my stocks, including my dividend stocks, are going to plummet. Okay, you only lose money if you sell. Okay, most of my trades are longs. Okay. The only one that isn't is AMC. It's as long as it takes to squeeze, okay? So, I just hold. That's what you do. You just hold. It will level out. I don't know how long it will take, but it eventually will go back to those numbers in a bracket, okay? It is what it is, right? It could even go way higher. We don't know. It'll be a restart button on the stock market again, okay? So, it is what it is, right? It might not go exactly to that number, but it'll go within that range, okay? Are any of these monthly dividend stocks, are any of those monthly dividend stocks I'm interested in those? Okay. You are interested in those? You are interested in these. Okay. So I'm actually, these pass the test. How much taxes do you pay on dividend money free? I think well, on the dividend money, you'd have to look on that. Just call your, I guess it'd be IRS in the States. I'm assuming it's the same as the stocks. It changes. It's everywhere different. I need to call up here. I definitely do because I don't know. I just paid at the end of the year, right? I don't know because it changes every year, right? We're coming up on a new tax season. So I do need to call and find out, okay? On this end, I will be doing that in the next couple of days for the Canadian people on here. For Americans, oh, okay. Yeah, I'm interested in monthly dividend stock paying stocks. Oh, okay, Monty. Yeah. Okay, that's a little bit more. So yeah, you guys, in the UK, somebody needs to call over there and find out, because to get that information is hard for if you're out of a different country. instead of quarterly, monthly stocks, you're going to have to look around, my friend, on that. Most of them are, right? And what the quarterly, monthly paying, it's the same as getting it. They just pay every 3 months. You still get on the annual what the percentage is. It's just paid divided. That's all it is, my friend. Jerry, good morning. Is it up 80%? PL. I'll look at that one, but in a minute. So there's another one that for sure is on the list. 100%. I'm probably saying it wrong because I have a fucking problem saying it. I'm just gonna pull it up on the list here, guys. What's the ticker symbol ATT? Oh, I seen it. No, I didn't. I'm saying it wrong. I always do it. It's a cell phone company. Phone company. I think they're in a bunch of shit. AT&T? No, I'm saying it wrong because I'm Canadian right now. I always think of AT&T, ATT. You guys know what I'm talking about. I just don't have my list here. It's at my buddy's house because we're going through it. Are there any ETFs that pay dividend? Mr. L, I don't ETFs. I'm not interested in, so I don't know. I'd have to do research on myself for that. You can Google it. I'll give you a quick hello. There it is. Thank you, Jay. Thank you so much. I was AT&T. I was saying it wrong. Is that the ticker symbol though? No, I tried that already. Well, you can't put an and in there. What's the ticker symbol, my friends? T? Is it? Oh, it is. So thank you, my friends. Thank you. Okay, there we go. This one is a slam frigging dunk. Okay. It's a very good price even right now. Okay. The high of the 52 is 33.88. I'm very comfortable. I don't even need to look at this. It passed the fucking test. 110 friggin' percent. Okay. Thank you. No. No. That's right, Cam. No, what, my friend? Oh, it's that AT is the ticker symbol. Yeah, okay, I got it. We already got it. I know that there's a lag with this system here. There's a bit of a lag. A couple, like, I think 10 seconds or something like that. So, anyways, I just wanted to, like I said, it passed the test. I've already done the news. They're into 5G shit. They're into so much stuff. Pretty much everybody knows what this company is. They've been around for a long time, and they are in a little bit of a debt, but it's nothing to be concerned about. They have a lot of shit that's worth money, okay? And they're always advancing, okay? They try to stay ahead of technology, okay? So this is going to go on. It's a slam dunk on this one. This one, I'm going to be buying hands down, okay? This is on the Coca-Cola is a good one. That's also, that one's a lower, that's a 3 or 4. I'll look it up, but this one isn't for sure on the list. Okay, guys? Ticker symbol T. ATNT. And you guys brought this up to me before. I did not know the dividend royalty was this high on this stock. Okay? Until you guys told me about, this was like months ago you told me about this when we first started talking about this. 7.57%. Okay, and they're communications company. Okay, there you go. There you guys go. I'm not gonna cover Coca-Cola. I'm not gonna cover anymore. Okay, friggin' heck, he said, haha, good shit, Sanjay. Oh, I had to unlock you, my friend. It's all good. Okay. Coca-Cola. KO. Thank you. Thank you. Give me a second, Sanjay. If it's at 18%, I wouldn't anything to do with it right away. I can tell you right now by looking at that number. Just so you know, that's a... I won't even... I'll look it up for you, but anything that's above 13%, I'm not interested in at all. It fails the first test, and that's... You're on your own if you want to invest in something like that. I'm scared right away, especially if I'm putting major money into it. Because why are they giving so much money away? This one's 3 points, a lower one, but the number doesn't mean anything. If you're going for a high number all the time, it is what it is. Coca-Cola's been around forever. They got Coca-Cola machines. They got vending machines. They got a whole bunch of... They're known around the world. I've looked at this one before. Let's see what they're at, though. $52? They're in that range again, right? You're good on this. Like, just because it is nicer to make money on the top end of these things, but like to have all high paying stuff, that's up to you what to do, right? Yeah, Coca-Cola was on the other list. I gave a variety of stuff. It is. I'll put it back here. That was one of the... You guys, we got 2 that were on the list, so there's only 8 more I got to add. I think I'm going to add these 2 on here because I just did the work on it. I like these 2. They're higher paying. I'm very comfortable on it. So there's only a couple more to do, and that's the list for the States. Done. Yeah, Sanjay, you go to... Anything over 13 is getting scary, and if you talk to millionaires that like I said, I got a couple family members, that's how they keep their millions, is this shit right here, okay? And they also don't put more than 100 grand in on a stock. Seriously. So, on a dividend, I mean, I'll correct that on that. And I want to say something else. I would use multiple brokers. If you guys got $1 million and you guys are putting, I'm just hypothetically saying, after the squeeze, if you got $1 million and you're going to put like 500 or even all of it in there, I would be getting multiple brokers, okay? And I would be doing it through banks, okay? That's just... I would definitely be doing this through a bank. This is long term. Okay, you want to do it through a big institution, okay? I'd be transferring money immediately to a big bank, or I'd be having my account set up now. If you don't have accounts, trading accounts in a big bank, do it today. You have lots of time. You might as well get the ball rolling. Contact a big bank wherever you are, and one that's been around and where they're all over the place. And you're gonna have to open an account, and then you're gonna have to open or get an account and a trader's account. You guys know the rigmarole. If you don't, that's what you got to do. Okay, it does take a little bit of time to do, a couple days, sometimes longer. You might as well get on it now, right? Because then you'll have all the account numbers to transfer this shit to immediately. Okay, guys. Everybody wants Pepsi. That's right, Jad. Yep. AT&T, ticker symbol T. Or do I have that backwards? Coca-Cola into SJW stuff? Everyone wants Pepsi, or do you have that backwards? I don't drink soda. That's right on, Warren. I'm just talking as for dividend, for investments. Maybe I've never looked up Pepsi before, actually. What is the ticker symbol for Pepsi? That's funny. Okay, so I'll finish this. That passes the thing. Coca-Cola is another one that's on the other ticker symbol KO. That is on the list on the other one. I gave you guys a variety of stuff to do. It pays 3.7%. And you guys, while you're there, opening up your accounts, the bank sometimes can tell you the taxes you pay on dividend royalties. Okay, they know that stuff, especially if you're in the investing division and opening up your stuff. Okay. That's right, Citizen. Yep, you nailed it, bro. Yep. Chris, what's up? Is it ripping a game? I'll be there in a second. Thanks, Chris. Good. Fucking A. You're in on that. Hey, bro? Are you in on that one? Coca-Cola 3.7. Wow, it's almost sold. Shares out the free float. It's pretty close, right? That's good. There's a lot of people that have these stocks. Well, it's been around for a long time, right? Okay, that's it. We got 4 done today, and there's a couple more. Those ones right now, the ones I talked to, are going to be on the list. Okay, you guys go. There you go. There's some of your list. Holy shit. Okay, let's have a look here. I'm going to blast over to A, and oh shit, we're par. Just above. Fuck. That is definitely a fucking ladder attack. Straight up. A ladder attack or a fucking diversion. Okay, almost all the stocks got diverted, so the algorithm lost speed and it just pulled down. Okay, something happened there. There's either of those two things happen. Neither way, the final result is bullshit. Okay, so fuck, and the GME is doing the same thing. It's getting pulled down. It is what it is, guys. I'm not gonna make comments on stuff that is is just Coke Zero, baby. Oh, you got one there? Oh, what, Jad? That's a monthly one, a monthly dividend one. Okay, guys, QYLD is one that's monthly. I was only gonna do quarterly ones. Jad's saying that one's monthly. I think, as far as I can see by that. If I can get your email. Jad, it's at the top. Right, it's pinned right on the top, my friend, on the messages. Go right up to the top. You have a little bit in, my friend? Okay, let's jump over there for you. Is it CEI? Okay. Oh, wow. That is nice. Beautiful. 21.37%. Camber Energy. And it went up. It was only 33 cents within the last year, guys. That's a fucking huge go. That's a 1,000%? No. It is. 100% at 33 cents. Overturned 324% today. So far, we've only been open a couple hours. Wow. That's crazy. I want to check something here. I'm gonna go in the 30-minute. Oh, it's been a steady climb for days. Fuck. It's been a steady climb. There's been no downpull on this stock since the 22nd. Wow. Since the 22nd, guys, this has been a constant climb. Be careful. And I don't see any fucking... See, if the company's so new, there might... I don't know how old this... Just hang on. How old is this company? Oh, yeah. It's been... How I was going to say... Who knows? If it's not that old, there won't be that many fucking short positions in it to be ladder attacking it. But yeah, there is. It's been attacked before. Oh, fuck yeah. It does... It can go down, guys. There's proven evidence of this right now. Be careful. And it goes down fast. Okay, guys? It looks like it had a couple pumps here, and it's in one right now. Okay, if you pull back on the 30 or the 1 day chart, guys, you're gonna see the system here, how it's going. It's in one of the highest. Hang on. It's in the highest that it's ever been right now. Today, right now, at this moment, is the highest price it's ever been. Okay. It's never been up $3.97 before, ever. Okay, so what it's doing, or it has. It did a stock split, it looks like. said it was up 31,000, but that it must have had a stock split or something way back in 2019. Something must have happened. It looks like something happened back then. So anyways, that's irrelevant anyways, because we're back here. Okay, so yeah, it's this is making new it's making new records today, guys. It just smashed a new record just right now. Every minute, every time it goes up past, it's going. Like it's going, man. But yeah, it's the high of the day was 397. It's at, and it was just, it went higher. Yeah, it pushed up that number even now. So we're going to do a pullback on this. Just be very careful, my friends. Okay? Because it will come down. Okay? I'm not being negative, but it's just common sense. They all do. Okay? So if you're on the ride, fucking go for it. If you're just buying in on it, be careful. Yeah, that's crazy, eh? Nice. I hope you guys make some money, the ones that are in on it. Okay. Right on, Jay. Right on. Proud. Do not put your money in CD or paper. Government will steal it when the collapse happens. Oh yeah, you don't want gold and silver on a ticket. No. You want physical bars. Fuck yeah. You always have. Always physical with metal. You always want physical. Okay. And I have ways to store it. I'm not going to share them, but I have some ways to store it. Not in my house. Don't ever store that shit in your fucking house, man. Ever. Like, you're crazy to. Like, just because a lot of things, fire, everything, even if you have a fireproof safe, I would not do that. That's crazy. Oh yeah, test. No, I mean physical. Like buy it physical. Of course, yeah, you would have it in your hand. How? I don't understand how you wouldn't. Like if you. I don't understand what you're saying. Like putting it in a safety deposit box. No, don't do that. I said it before. I was thinking about it, and then I said that a couple months ago, and then I was thinking about somebody who said no, that's not. I was thinking, fuck, that isn't a good idea, because that's the same as the bank having your money and seizing everything, right? Like you're putting my. It's the same as having paper, then, right? No, you definitely want it. You definitely want it physically, and then just there's millions of places to put it. Okay, I would definitely be putting it into a PVC pipe. PVC pipe. Okay, so it's sealed. Okay, and then you can put that tube anywhere. Okay, you can make it. It's easy. Just go get a piece of pipe. It doesn't matter the dimension, how much you have. Cut it into a length. And cap the end, and then it's sealed from the elements, okay? And you can even put some dry air packets in there. Okay, this is cool, man. This is cool. It just went up again. I just went again because it hit the 97. So I'm gonna go off of this. Thanks for bringing this up, my friend. I hope you do really well on this. Hopefully you got in early and just ride it, man. Ride that. Fuck. Fucking suckers. Naked's on a bleed too. Shit. Naked's gone down quite a bit too, man. It's 11% down. Yeah, guys, they're trying hard to scare this. I hate to say it, but this movement today is going to get some people selling. It's not getting me, but I just know how things are. Buy shovel stocks. Yeah, there you go, brother. Yeah, I don't recommend putting in a safety deposit box, guys. I'm going to emphasize that, okay? It's not a good idea. Not a good idea. I know it's insured, all that stuff, but it just if you're thinking outside the box, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm not telling you guys what to do. You guys can do whatever you want, right? I already know what I've done. I already got some, right? But I'm not going to disclose how much because that's my personal information. But yes, I would like to get more. And I recommend, I'm going to say this, if you're going to buy bars, to buy some coins or smaller dominations of it, okay? Something that can be passed as currency. So you're not shaving off pieces of it or getting it melted down and getting it broke up. I would definitely be buying it in quantities that if you need to disperse it, that you can, okay? And a lot of people have a hate for silver. It's not a bad idea to have both, okay? Just so you know. Not just my opinion only, right? You can do whatever you want on that. Wow, it's getting cheap. Really? I got how much for AMC making $40 today? Yeah, no shit, Johnny. Hey, we're allowed to. That's why I said I didn't want to make a prediction. Remember I said that till 9:30, 10. Because that's why, my friend. Because I don't like to upset you guys, and I don't like to put negative information out there. Right? There you guys go. I don't want to set you guys up for like, hey, it's gonna go to 40 and then it crashes. That sucks, man. Like, I might as well just be putting fucking retarded videos out there and along with, yeah, I won't even go there. There's lots of, future. I know, my friend. That's what, yeah, that's the same as me putting out videos, clickbait videos on stuff too. Like, it's gonna squeeze tomorrow. It's gonna squeeze. That's the same kind of crap, right? I've learned my lesson on this stock. The stock is unpredictable, guys. You know that, right? And I wanted to say, oh yeah, Future Whale, you weren't on here earlier. I called 3 banks about computer shares. I'm 100% for it, my friend. I was jaded because of the last 3 things that happened with those share count, with all the shares, all the other, you know, the bullshit that was involved. There is up here in Canada, there is a bit of a delay. Buying them, it's a week to longer. Okay, this is this up here. Okay, I went through BMO, TD, and CIBC. Okay, I spent hours in between them. All the calls, it was about an hour and 45 minutes. Okay, there is no problem. The thing, well, for some people it could be a problem. I don't know. It's not a problem. Calm down. Oh, I'm not calm down. Oh, I thought you said Cameron calm down. I'm like, I'm calm. Trust me, that's why I didn't give you guys bullshit on this price. But it's all good. You didn't say it. So back to that computer thing. Up here, when you sell it, it is you get what you get on the price. They can't manipulate that, which is golden. Okay, that's where I had my issue with it. And I was going off of information that wasn't true, and it was I got the documents that actually I was reading on it, and they were a little bit altered. You can tell. So it only takes a couple days, business days, to get the money into your trading account. It has to be executed by a broker. Still, the bank cannot execute that. They're not brokers, which is not a problem, right? And yes, I'm 100% for it. I'm going to do it with all my stocks except AMC. All my dividend stocks, yes, are going to be computer shares. You can even back it up onto the codes, and it's all encrypted and it's insured to the max. You can even back it up onto an USB, your codes and all that shit, right? Not your encryption shit, because that's bank and private. But you can actually back it all up as your portfolio onto a thing. You don't need to, because you don't need to prove it. It's on the cloud, right? And what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah. And it is 100%. Nobody can touch those. And we already knew that, but I just want to verify. Nobody can touch those fucking shares. They are locked in. Nobody can touch them. Not even you. Okay? Until you get permission to. Of course, you can see it on the computer, all that stuff. But I'm talking physically. You can't touch them. There's a process. It has to go executed by a broker. Okay? That's in Canada. Things could be different anywhere else. That's all I could do. So anyways, not that I didn't believe you. I just had to get to the bottom of this stuff, and I'm glad I did, and I'm glad that you brought that up. I really respect that, man, because I was going off information, a source that wasn't reliable, and I knew better than that. Okay, anyways, thank you. I'll move on. Thanks for your videos. Oh, Grant, not a problem. Not a problem. Yeah. Yeah, man. This is a friggin' ticking time bomb. That's why I said that this thing's fucking going tighter, man. It's hard to see it, guys. But I know it visually, it sucks, but it's making it more volatile. Because you know how many people are buying today? I know there's probably some. We can sit here and say nobody's selling, but we don't know. There's people that have issues. This has been a long time. There's people that are going to fuck it, right? It's a very few people. Most people are just buying more and more and more and more and more. Just hang on a second. But yeah, this is bringing more people in, okay? Because there's people that couldn't afford it at that price. You guys know it. No, it's not. Yeah, it is off, Tess. The TV behind me is off because you guys can't even. Can you guys even see it? Fuck off. Sorry, I'm not saying that to you guys. Somebody, I keep on getting messages on Facebook. It's raining out. I'm not going quadding today, and my arm hurts. Oh, I'm getting all your guys' emails now. They're coming in. I'm getting them on a notification. I gotta take that off. It's nothing wrong with you guys. It's just now I'm getting all my emails for some reason, all popping up on this little ticket on the side, and it's blocking the chat bar. Oh, future will and reason and sent the shares to computer and then. Not a problem, dude. You brought education to the table. Love it, love it, love it. Good. Yeah, Grant. Yeah, brother. I do what I can. That's what the channel it is what it is, right? The juice is worth the squeeze, Mr. Howard. That's awesome. I wish I could get rid of these fucking commercials on my channel here. But it is what it is. Okay, so the TV. Oh, it's at the top, my friend. It's at the top, brother. It's pinned right to the top of the list. Okay. Oh, KI. Welcome to the channel, my friend. I didn't see that you came on here. I did read your comment, and I just didn't read your thing. Welcome to the channel. How's your day going? Jerry, I said welcome, welcome. Yeah, it doesn't matter how much they manipulate. Nope, it just builds it more volatile. It's better for us. I know it's hard to see, but it gives a chance for new people to come in. So what are you guys' plans for the day, my friends? What are your plans for the days, my friends? I'm gonna be on for another 10 minutes. How long is that? 6:30, 7:30, 8:30. Yeah, I'll be on for another 10 minutes. Okay, guys? We got a lot done today. Yeah, I'm just trying to think if there's anything else we can cover. Is there anything else that you guys want to talk about? I can go through a couple more things here. That CEI just broke a new record. It's at it just cracked $4. Okay, it just hit a new record. Camber Energy just hit $4. It just made an all-time high. And Manjeet, are you on here still, there, girl? Oh, hey. I'm on an airplane right now heading to LA. There you go. There you go. Driving home from work. Oh, okay. Right on, guys. Right on. I got a dentist appointment cleaning this afternoon. That's what I'm doing. That's why what I got to get off, and I got to go get ready for that. I got to have some breakfast. And then that's what I'm doing today. I got some people from the dentist's office to buy some AMC shares. So I'm actually, that was last time I was in there. That was 3 months ago. Some of the ladies at the front desk, I showed them the channel, and they're like, "What? Really? Locally?" And I said, "Yep, locally." And then I gave them my card. I got cards. I'll show you guys. I got cards that I carry with me everywhere, just so I get more people in. There's my cards with a QR code on it. Oh fuck! I gotta turn the light off. There you go. That's my card. So I give that card out, and then you can recruit people off of that. So that's what I do. Okay, Adidas cut their dividend a couple of months ago when they spun off their cable company. Did they? And they're still 7%? What? How was it before? What the hell was it before there, Jad? Oh, Citizen, right on. Right on. And did you get my email, my friend? Does Sunday work for you for our video chat? And I wanted to ask you right now, do you have Gmail? Because there's that thing on Gmail, because as you know, I was having problems with Zoom. That Gmail chat link on there works beautiful, okay? And yeah, I'm looking forward to having a talk with you, man. Without all this bullshit. Not this bullshit, but where I can't talk. I can't talk on here about prices and shit. So it takes them right to the YouTube page. Yep, it does. And if you guys get buy an Android box off me, which a lot of you have, I've got a whole list to make. I'll be sending you my Android King card, Android King TV card, and I'll send you one of these cards for you. Okay. Aw, right on, D. That's a solid move. I'll show you guys. And then one of these cards right here. This is my other company. Well, you guys know. This is my Android King TV card. See? That's my other business with those Android boxes. They get over 20,000 cable channels, all the movies, YouTube, Netflix, all that's free. And for a one-time fee. No monthly fees, nothing. You guys know. So, but yeah, that's it. Send me my Gmail. I have your Gmail, my friend. Isn't that what you're talking to me on? I can check up later. Oh, maybe it wasn't. Yeah, please send it to me, and then I will contact you on that when we do our chat. Actually, I need to verify what time, too, so I'll send you an email. I do my DD. Yes, Sanjay. Hey, Cam. Yeah, not a problem. Yeah, not a problem, citizen. Not a problem. Yeah, do it right now. Do it right now if you want. Go ahead. If you want to text it, go ahead. It's fine. Or you can talk to me Sunday, but I'm putting an order to the States in the next couple days here. It's up to you if you want to type it out now, or you can just do it when I talk to you on Sunday, bro. It's up to you on our video chat. Okay. What do we got? Fucker. Fuck. What the hell? We're only down 1%? Okay, whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? Look at this AMC Holdings, $36.63, and it says we're only down 1%. Oh, because we went up to 30. Okay, that makes sense. I'm like, what the fuck? What's going on here? Yeah, it's fine. Yes, it does. It does, Richard. Yeah, it does. Good, we're doing good. I'm doing good. I think the family's all doing good on here. About the price is kind of shitty, but we all know it is what it is. Oh, and the TV in the back, you guys can't see it, except I can put it on there. It's just that we need that screen, that matte screen that's coming. Or actually, I was having problems because the sizes on it. There's two different sizes to a 65-inch. Did you know that? I thought fucking 65 is a 65. No, there's two different sizes. The millimeters, they're off. So yeah, I had to redo. Yeah, it is what it is. That's turning into a little bit of a thing. But yeah, can you talk about available channels? Oh, can I talk? Available channel, dude. There's lots. It'd be better to talk in person about that because there's so many channels, my friend. You get all AT&T or ADT, A&E. You get all the Stars movie channels. You get anything on Hulu, Netflix, Amazon Prime. You can't get local news though. That locally to your county or your city, no. You get generic stuff. I don't know. I don't even know what network. They go by network, not channels. I don't think so. Or yeah, they do. Only the horse racing out of the UK though. Cam, ET Energy transferred dividend stocks. Okay. They transfer dividend stocks. I don't, Sanjay. I don't understand what do you mean they transfer? Cam ET Energy transfer dividend stock. What do you mean by that, man? I'm sorry. That can be just as a text. That can be taken a couple different ways. Okay. Plans for the day. See more coffee poop. Yeah. Food, drink, beer, food, bed. That's awesome. You got your thing. Yeah, Richard, not a problem, bro. Not a problem. Local horse racing, I don't know there. I'm trying to think. Life is hard for a pimp. Right on. That's awesome. So, hey girl, what network is that? And I can help you out on that. I know it's a stock. But when you said transfer dividend stock, energy transfer. Oh, fuck. You have Dish? Get rid of that shit, dude. And what you need, guys, is you don't need fiber for this. You need, oh, I'll look it up. I'll look it up for you, buddy. You got to what was that? Oh, Dish is frigging expensive, but the speed you need is for this. You do need high speed, but it's you need anything. You need internet 150. Okay, so 150. You know the speed. It has to be down speed. It doesn't go by up speed at all. That's for uploading stuff. Okay, down speed, and you can run a test on your internet speed with an app. Okay, you guys know that. Right off your phone, just download the app and do the test. It needs to have internet 150 minimal. Okay, that's my standard by it. I just want it to not buffer on you guys. Okay, so internet 150 up speed. If you have higher than that, or even a little bit lower, like 140, it'll work. Okay, that's the criteria that I like to do to stay. You can get it internet 100. You could, or internet 75 speed, and you know the transfer speed. It could possibly buffer on you, right? And it still can buffer a bit at 150. Depends on what you're downloading, how much data you're transferring. Okay, I will check it right now. Okay. Oh, okay. That's the name. ET. Okay. I got it. 6 point. Okay. Shares out. Shares okay. We're good there. 6.4. That's a good number. Okay, it opened up today. It traded good, not bad today. What the fuck? Okay, at $9. Okay, it was $8. It was $5 pretty much. 5, and the highest of the was 11, and it's 9. That's all right, right? Because you know that it's not blown right off the fucking wall, right? Pardon my language. Okay, let's do something here. Date. A little bit of red in there though, but that doesn't. Holy fuck! There's a lot of red in this stock. Wow, that's a lot of red, man. Liquid propane. It's a transfer company. Energy transfer. So they just transfer liquid propane. I'm assuming by the title. Fuck. I don't know, man. That's a lot of red, Sanjay. Holy shit. Ho, 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 ho. Wow. Weird. Did it split or something? Something weird happened here. There's missing information on this chart. And that's back a long time ago. That's back 10 years ago, though. But that's a lot of fucking red, man. I don't know, buddy. I'd look the news up on this. I don't know, my friend, on this one. You're going to be looking at it like AMC, okay? There's going to be a lot of red looking at it. Richard, I just got your email. Okay, so guys, I would look up the news on this, but if you wanted to, that is fast service. Not a problem, brother. Not a problem. Oh, test. That was fast service. I almost sharpened my wolf claws. Oh, fuck. That's funny. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Holy crap. Yeah, that box would fucking work good with you. Oh, they do run on 5G wireless. I don't recommend that because you know how wireless is, right? Hardwire it right into the back of the box. I got one right here. There's the box right there, guys. Okay? What I mean is just plug it in the back of the box right there. See? And you got to have HDMI outlet. You can get a converter that converts it to an older TV, and then there it is right there. And it's pretty simple, man. And here's the upgrade remotes. Here are the upgrade remotes that we give you with the box. They come with stock ones, and they like different colors too. Okay. So they light up different colors. Okay, these are Bluetooth. So you can change it from the other side of the room, and you can type out your movies. That's why I got it instead of that fucking retarded remote. Okay, but it does come with two. Okay, anyways, enough about that. I know we're on a stock channel here, but you guys are asking, so it's all good. Yeah. Okay, Sanjay, I'll get off of here. I just don't like that red because even though it's holding its numbers, that's concerning to me. And the thing for that is it's the same as look at it. You don't want to look at your stock every day and see all red. We're already dealing with enough with AMC and all these other stocks. Okay, it just doesn't mind fuck, right? Eventually, and you don't want to look at that. You want to see nice green juicy days once in a while, right? Oh, and it's one box per TV, guys, just so you know. You can split it, but it'll play the same thing with an HDMI splitter. I want 4 boxes. Okay, you got the email. I'll put them together. I get them specially made from China. Just so, because if you buy them offline, off of Amazon and all that shit, the chips inside, they're shit boxes. They just put covers on them, okay? So you guys know that. I've been doing this for 6 years, okay? I get them specially made for me through a factory, okay, in China. And I know what the chips are in them. They record, you know how they have a video camera when it's being made? They send me a copy on an SD chip of my product. They do it with anybody if you ask for it, okay? Because there's a lot of fraud going on out there. They put shit chips in them. You don't get what you're paying for, and it's a business, right? It's the same as when you guys are, and there's a chip shortage in the world right now, okay? So that's one of the reasons why I do it too. Oh, Tess, good call, citizen. You don't want to run wire. You're going to have to get, I don't recommend because we have problems with Bell. I've seen it before. You don't want to run these boxes through your internet service off your satellite dish. It's not a continuous service. It can run into problems, okay? It will work, but it's just, I don't guarantee it. I don't guarantee that you're going to have a clean signal all the time, my friend. But now, if you're a new customer on, I know up here in Canada, I know in the States too. If you're a new customer to some of these places, you get up to 6 months free, man, service on a contract, right? So it's up to you. Excuse me. Hardwire okay. Some of you I know probably don't know what hardwire mean. It means right to the router, okay? Ethernet cable right to the router. Short interest for AMC, 21. We even went up higher. Cap was, or no, somebody was, no, not Cap. Somebody mentioned that today. Fuck, I can't remember who it was now. Sorry, no disrespect, but somebody on the channel brought it up earlier today. I went blank. So I'm gonna give a recognition to some. Yes, thanks, Connor. I appreciate that for bringing that back. Let's fucking go. So that is a good sign. That is definitely good. And did you get that off of Ortex or Finra? The boxes, I just don't want it because it's YouTube. I don't want to discuss prices on here. Everybody gets the same price. You're going to send me an email. Okay? I think I'm getting shit for that because, yeah, it's just because, and no downloading guys on this shit. Just streaming it, okay? Just send me an email and I'll give you all the info. I'll send you all the info that I have on it, okay? That is fucking nuts, that speed, man. Short time. Okay, so the prices, it's even higher than that, guys. It guaranteed is a little bit higher. We don't know how much. As you all know, that's it's okay if you got it off that. That's because we only have certain tools, okay? Holy shit. You paid that much, D? Holy shit. Okay, I'm not going to discuss prices, but within just over a month, the box is paid off. And it's free from then on. We don't charge a subscription because it's illegal, right? You're charging for channels that are copyright protected. It's illegal as fuck. A lot of people do it. I do not infringe. I don't break the law and shit, man, like that. Like, it's not worth it. I'll send you the exact price. Xfinity. Okay. That's pretty good, man. But yeah, that's expensive. Wow. That's expensive, man. You'll save yourself $2,400 a year. That's like $20,000 every 10 years. Wow. That's crazy. But you might get, yeah, it depends. I don't know what channels you get on your direct package, but we can talk over an email. I need a coffee. I need a coffee, my friends. What do you want to do? It's 10 after. You got me for an extra 10 minutes. I'm going to shut her down. If you have any other questions, my friends, I will talk to you on email. You might have to give me a day to get back to you because I do have my appointment this afternoon. And yeah. I'm just trying to think if we're missing anything else. Did I go through everything? I went through everything today. Yeah, I guess that's it, my friends. I will see you tomorrow at the same time. And you guys have a great day. Set your indicators. Get the hell away from this shit, okay? You guys go through enough of it in the morning with this crap. It is what it is, okay? Anyways, I love you, wolves, and you guys have a great day. I'm over and out. Peace.